Hi everybody, wondering is the Samsung S10 which introduced in the year of 2019 still able to survive in the year end of 2020? In this video, I'm going to talk about my 2 years experience with the Samsung S10 as a daily phone. Before we start, if you like the content and this channel, please hit like and subscribe button down below. Let's dive in. Let's get started. This phone already, I think nearly 2 years old. To be exact, would be like 1 year and 9 months. I've been using it since 2019 February. First thing first, we will talk about the so-called the performance. The performance of this S10 Plus. I never actually do any kind of so-called the formatting of the phone or resetting of the phone. Yeah, I would say that it's really fluid. Yeah, as you can see, it's still very fluid because processor and also the RAM is still sufficient in nowadays. The 8GB RAMs and also the Snapdragon 855 on this phone. They are really capable of doing, still able to do whatever necessaries in nowadays. The next one we will be talking about is the fingerprint sensor. As you can see from this phone, I actually installed the so-called the thick tempered glass around here. Yeah, you guys might need to take note about this. Once you actually install this, it might not be that sensitive anymore. Like for example, like this. Sometimes it will not able to actually unlock it unless you do have a really dry hand and press it slowly. And yeah, I will see some delays. Let us try it again. Okay, I press it. Yeah, it's kind of delay for maybe half a second, then only they will unlock. Yeah, you might need to take note if this is really a concern for you after installing the tempered glass. Next, we are going to talk about the cameras. Yeah, definitely cameras is actually playing a really important role. So when we talk about a smartphone, how capable are they? The camera, I think, it still works fantastic. They are actually equipped with the wide angle telephotos and also the ultra wide angle, which I would say that it already covers everything. If you are capturing videos and also the photos, it is definitely sufficient enough. Yeah, later I will actually show you on some sample photos that I actually captured using my daily phone. Front, they are actually equipped with 2 front-facing camera. They will have, yeah, let us open and see. Yeah, okay, let us switch. Yep, as you can see, we are able to switch to 2 cameras. One is wider and the other one would be more narrow. Yeah. In terms of cameras, I would say that I am really satisfied with it. In terms of the phone weight, I would say that previous phone that I was actually using is LG V30 that has the weight of 158 grams, and yeah, now becoming heavier, 175 grams for the non-ceramic version, which means that if you are planning to upgrade it, yeah, to me would be definitely a lot heavier than I'm expected. But over a long run, I would say that yeah, I kind of used to it. Yeah, maybe for you, you might need to check on your current phone how heavy are they. Okay, next we are going to talk about speakers. In terms of speakers, They do have two speakers. One is at the top and the other one will be at the bottom here. Okay, and in terms of like the speaker qualities, I would say that is really good. They do have really good speakers, and in terms of loudness also is really loud compared like a lot of the phone, like for example my previous one, which is the LG V30 Plus. Yeah, less sound actually produced from here. This is still a really powerful speaker compared to the top. In terms of the screen, yeah, they are actually like equipped with the technology of dynamic AMOLED LED and also HDR10 plus. And yeah, the sizes would be 6.4 inch. It's really big. I would say that it's really big. And yeah, with thanks to the AMOLED LED, they can actually achieve the black is really black, which I like it a lot. Yeah, as you can see, like from the wallpaper that I have at the moment, yes, I would say that it's pretty impressive. If you are looking for a really good quality screen quality, yes, this is definitely the phone that you are looking for. Yeah, when we talk about the daily phone, we will be very careful with the battery life. Yeah, how long will it actually last? And the battery so far is very good, I would say that, and able to last me 1 day, or sometimes will be like 1.5 days. Yeah, because of thanks to this really big battery, 4100 mAh of the battery, which lasts me 1.5 days the maximum. And at the same time, you also will able to actually share the battery with others. If you do have somebody have a phone that actually have wireless charging and you would like to like share with them the power, the so of the battery, yes, you can easily like turn on the wireless power share. And yeah, at the same time, then here you will get another phone like to tap on it. Yeah, easily you can share the power with them thanks to this really big battery pack. Yeah, next we will be talking about is the dual SIM card. In the older phone, you might be having the main SIM card slot able to support the 4G only, but this phone SIM card able to support the 4G at the same time. Without swapping them to the primary card, you are able to actually utilizing the 4G speed. All in all, this is still a really good buy in the years and of 2020. Yes, I would say definitely recommended phone, except one thing you need to take note. Please, if you plan to actually like install the tempered glass, you need to take note of the sensitivity. It might cause a sensitivity problem. The rest, yeah, definitely you will be in a really good hand in terms of performance and the cameras, and also yeah, the elegant looks of this phone. Yeah, it's definitely fantastic, and yeah, you'll be in a good hand. Yeah, see you guys again. If you like the content and this channel, please hit like and subscribe button down below. And if you do have any other questions, please comment below and I will reply each of them.